Finishing up lesson 7.6, if we look at problem 5, what they're asking us to do is to solve one variable equations. So on problem 5, they're asking what's the solutions or solutions of 2 to the x power equals 5/10 x plus 2. So what we're going to do for this, there are ways we could maybe solve this out. Otherwise, you guys will learn some other strategies in high school, but for now, what we're going to do is we're going to be using our graphing calculators. Similar to what we did when we found solutions to system of equations and things like that on our graph, what we're going to be doing is looking for the intersection of our functions. So one of these, let's say the left side, if you want 2 to the x power, you could put that in for y1. The right side of the equation, you could put that in for y2, and then you can graph those, and then you can try to look for where those functions intersect each other. And again, the steps there, calculate the intersection. You can see here's one of our intersection points, and then here's the second intersection point. So this actually has 2 potential solutions to it. They should tell you about how they want you to round these answers, but they're saying -3 and 8600ths and 1 and 4500ths would be some options there. And then a way to check that these solutions are correct is we could substitute those values back in for x in the original equation, and then see if it works or not. Obviously, if we're rounding it, they may not come out exactly the same, but they should be very close to each other if we did these correctly. So if we look at the guide at 5a, they want the solution or solutions of these equations. So we can just graph these 2 equations. On here, this red line is representing the y equals 3/10 to the x power. The blue line is representing y equals 5, which, if you'll notice, is a horizontal line. So if we look at these, there actually is only going to be one intersection point here. So if you go on your calculators, if you calculate what that intersection point is, let's just say the nearest hundredth for our x value, what do you get?
I got -1.5. Right here says 1, negative.
Should be about -1 and 34 hundredths for your x value here.